My choice. The distance between life and death is shorter than you have to split. Stay close. Say the cheese. If regret had a flavor, they'd be the first ones to taste it. Didn't your mother ever tell you? Never like has those tomatoes. Rules? Whatever. Stay close. The enemy has slain the turtle. Business, not my thing. Annoyances. You got me. Ally has been slain. Stay close. Make such a bird noisy mouth. Get lost. Ally has been slain.
Tutulungan niyo kami dito. Meron siya. Tutulungan dito, may tutulungan. Dito, B. Dito. Dito may nangalan.
Look at them, wandering like pathetic abandoned dolls.
It is so wonderful.
I'm not alone. I have my doll. Launch attack! Understood. Like playing rope. Two girls avoid trouble. Ambush. Okay.
Ambush na dito.
Request backup.
Hoy, ba't mo ko iniwanan dito? Chow. Papatayin ako nito.
Time for some needlework. The enemy has slain the turtle. Launch attack. Okay. How are you? Request backup. I just realized I don't care. Okay.
Enemy battle spell on initiating jungle.
yata kayo. Si Beatrix at Tyrus.
Invading jungle.
Launch attack! Okay. If only she could be with me now. Launch attack! Our turret has been destroyed. Stay close!
My God. Ang dami nilagay.
Okay.
0.0. Bakit ito kailangan gawin? 1.0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0, 0.
Need to
Ano
stitch
ba?
a
Sige
veil
na
with
to,
your
babe.
mouth right away.
Wait, tutulong muna tayo kasi feeling ko ngayon.
Our turret is under attack. Stay close! Attack the turtle!
Si Paddy.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Your turn, Bubbles.
Yes.
Get lost!
So, kapalitin ang panty, kapalitin.
Shut down! Look at them, wandering like pathetic abandoned dolls. Request backup. Okay. Your team destroyed a turret. Stay close. Initiate retreat. The distance between life and death is short of slain.
Kaya lang yung nag-ano dito ah. Kay Kerry.
Unstoppable. Somebody's got their stuff pulled out. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
You destroy the turret. Stay close.
Ay, ito ba? Si Dairo tsaka si Freya B.
An enemy has been slain.
Magpa-ambos na naman yan.
Launch attack. Don't trust words. They can hurt like weapons.
Si Dairo tsaka si Freya. Freya na saan? Dairo tsaka
Enemy has slain Lord. Launch attack. Okay. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Shut down.
Hanapin natin dito.
Business, not my thing. Annoyances. You got me. Stay close. Our turret is under attack. My life, my choice. Stay close. Ally has been slain. Good girls avoid trouble, while I make it. Your turn, Mother. Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
Patayin niyo, Lord.
Ally has been slain.
Basta lang hayaan mapatay yung Lord.
Rules? Whatever. Stay close. Enemy has slain Lord.
Wala na.
Stay close. Ally has been. An enemy has been slain. If a brilliant flavor, really the first one. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Stay close. Get lost. Attack enemy Lord. Attack double kill. Well played.
Nagta-target siya.
Under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Giggles, Muddles, get ready. Enemy rampage. I'm not alone. I have my dog. Stay close. If regret had a flavor, they'd be the first one. Kill.
Sagutin ko.
Initiate retreat. Okay. Initiate retreat. Understood. Unstoppable. Double kill. Shut down. They give me my fees, I fulfill their needs. Fair deal. Your team destroyed a turret. Need to stitch up their noisy mouths right away.
Hindi na ko nakasama, guys.
trust words. They can hurt like weapons. Stay close.
Ang gold.
Just a small fight. Like playing house.
Wag! Dagdagan mo yan.
Ally has been shut down. Not my thing. Annoyances. Ally has got me.
Follow Lord.
Enemy double.
Follow Lord.
Stay close. Your team destroyed a turret. Your team destroyed a turret. Stay close. Initiate retreat. Stay close.
Instant kill.
Great play. Your team destroyed the turret. Return mode. Stay close. Shut down. Initiate retreat. Okay. Stay close. Oh no. The curse repelled.
Ano yung pabit ako yun? Pag mo inubos!
My needle is more than a doll sewing tool. Stay close. Stay close. Attack. Okay. Oops, somebody's got their stuffing pulled out. Good girls avoid trouble, while I attack.
Understood.
An enemy has been slain. Victory!
Lisa, lumiski na siya. Hindi. Trial.
Patingin na kung MVP ka.
Hindi.
No,
Hindi ako
epic
MVP.
comeback ka lang.
O, di ba chocolate? Ah! Hindi kaya. 0.11.5 nga eh. Charge na ako.